Hi, I'm Mike with Acme Concrete Raising and Repair. Today, we're at Kingswood Townhomes in St. Charles, Illinois. And we're going to be raising concrete for this townhome association at about 40 different locations here. It's a pretty big development, and we're going to be at 40 different spots. And we're going to be raising driveways, sidewalks, steps, and stoops. So if you're looking into getting concrete raised for yourself, or you're just researching what this is all about, you've landed in the right place, because we're going to show you all kinds of issues that we've got going on here, and we're going to also show you us raising that concrete and getting it back up to where it belongs. So I'll show you some examples of what we have here right now. Let's take a look. Now here's a driveway right in front of the garage door opening. The driveway has dropped right in front of the garage floor, causing a bump when you pull in or out. So we're going to take this driveway, we're going to raise it up to just below the height of the garage floor here to make this transition much smoother. Here's a sidewalk that leads to the front door and comes around to the driveway. And you can see the sidewalk has dropped and has caused a big trip hazard right here at the driveway. So we're going to raise this up and get this even again and eliminate the trip hazard. Here's an example of a driveway apron right up against the curb, and you can see that this apron is dropped, and when it rains, the water runs down, but it hits this lip and it can't drain properly. So we're going to raise this concrete up so that the water will drain off into the curb and be able to leave. Another real common problem here at Kingswood is where the front sidewalks have dropped right in front of the stoop. What happens is the sidewalk sinks, and then there's too tall of a step going from that sidewalk up to the stoop. So we're going to be raising these sidewalks, making these front entryways much more easily accessible and safer. Okay, so that's it. 40 plus locations completed here at Kingswood in St. Charles, Illinois. And just to let you guys know, we are Acme Concrete Raising and Repair. We're Chicagoland's very first polyurethane concrete raising and stabilization experts. Polyurethane concrete raising is what we're laser focused on. You know, a lot of our competition is distracted by other things like mud jacking, concrete installation, waterproofing, maybe even garage floor coatings and things like that, leaving their concrete raising expertise a bit watered down. We are laser focused on polyurethane concrete raising, so if you need your concrete raised, we hope to hear from you soon. We would love to help you. Thanks for watching.